Well, hi there, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A chilly start to our day. Some folks even dropping below freezing this morning, especially to the west and northwest of the Tri-Cities. But temps are quickly warming up now thanks to lots of sunshine. We should see a fairly sunny day. Some high clouds from time to time. So I'm going to call it mostly sunny, and a nice south breeze eventually picking up that's going to help to warm things up into the mild category in the upper 60s, lower to mid 70s. Those winds will be strongest to the west, where they'll even be considered windy. Winds not nearly as strong in eastern parts of the viewing area. So again, south and southeast winds, I would say east of Highway 81, that York to Hebron area, 10 to 20 miles per hour this afternoon. Tri-Cities, 15 to 25 miles per hour. McCook, North Platte, 20 to 30 miles per hour later this afternoon. As for tonight, the winds do stay breezy. It'll be cool, but it won't be as cold tomorrow morning. We'll drop back into the 40s and 50s for overnight lows, mostly clear skies. Then increasing clouds on your Wednesday, and eventually here comes a chance of rain. Now, even with the clouds coming through, still going to be fairly mild out there thanks to a strong south and southeast breeze throughout the day. It'll probably be even a little bit stronger than what we'll see out there today. I may see dropping temperatures late in the day as that chance of showers increases. Mostly going to be just a rain event as we head towards Wednesday, late in the day into Wednesday night. Maybe an isolated rumble of thunder, but not looking at any kind of a severe weather threat overnight Wednesday night into early on Thursday morning. Just a good soaking rain across much of the area. And I know even though we've had the flooding concerns in parts of the viewing area, some folks could still use some pretty good rains, and we'll hopefully get it as we get towards Wednesday night into early on Thursday. And the great news is it comes without the threat of severe thunderstorms. Highs for today, upper 60s, lower 70s up north, again becoming breezy this afternoon. Winds will become fairly strong, in fact windy out west. Highs in the low to mid 70s, upper 60s and lower 70s in the south, becoming breezy this afternoon, and a little bit of a breeze late this afternoon in the east. Highs in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. Now to your extended forecast. Again, a lot to talk about here the next couple of days. Of course, those highs and lows getting warmer. No more threat of frost or freezing conditions. Wednesday, late in the day through Wednesday night, early on Thursday, maybe lingering in the east Thursday afternoon. That good chance of some showers and isolated storms. Again, not worried about a severe weather threat. For many of us, Thursday afternoon and then especially Thursday night into Friday, pretty much dry conditions. There's only going to be a small chance of rain during that time frame. But Friday afternoon and a Friday night could be the first of a couple of rounds of severe thunderstorms that we're definitely going to have to keep an eye on. That first one again Friday afternoon, Friday night. The second one Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. Both of those days, the Storm Prediction Center is already watching for the threat of severe thunderstorms. And in fact, for the Saturday threat, they have kind of a little bit of a higher end threat. Now, they don't put out the slight risk, the moderate risk, the high risk, anything like that. They don't put that out until 3 days out. So they haven't put anything like that out yet for Friday or Saturday, but they are watching both Friday and Saturday, our areas, for the threat of severe thunderstorms. So something we're going to have to keep in mind as we get towards the end of the week, and especially the first half of the weekend. The second half of the weekend, maybe a lingering shower or storm, but then it looks like we'll start to dry things out. And it will actually cool things back as we head towards the early parts of next week. So again, although severe weather not a part of our early week, the end of the week does hold that severe weather threat. We'll have to keep an eye very close on that as we get towards that Friday and Saturday time frame. So there's your forecast for the week ahead of us. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.